Hello everyone, this is Rin, and in this tutorial we are gonna create a button and we will use that to make this application. As you see, the number will be incremented if I click the button. As usual, let's make scene and container first. So scene equal new scene. Shift Control O, and for container we are gonna use stack pane, and pane equal new stack pane. And let's put pane into scene. It's pane, and the size would be 150 times 150. And put scene into stage. So stage.setScene. And don't forget to show your stage. Okay, we are done with structure of this program. And what we need to do is put node into the structure. Kinda like we have built house and we just need to put like furnitures and stuff into the new house. We are gonna show numbers through label. So let's create label object. So new label. And you need to import JavaFX.scene.control.label. And let's make the font 30 size. So to do that, you need to use setStyle method and put CSS code here, and code is fx font size and 30. And let's put label into pane, and to do that, pane.getChildren.add and pane. And now we need a button. But before creating a button, let me introduce setAlignment method, and that is static method. That means I have to call from class, not an object. And setAlignment method lets you set the position of your node. For demonstration purpose, let me set the text of label. So label.setText, and I'm gonna put test here. Okay, and if I run this, then you will see error here. Okay, mistakes here. So let me terminate this program. And okay, I should put label. Okay, I need to put label into pane, not pane into pane. And let's run this again. And you will see the text is located at the center. So by default, the node is automatically located at the center of pane. What if you want the label to be located at top or bottom or elsewhere? In that case, you can use stack pane.setAlignment. In the first parameter, you need to put node, so that would be label. And the second parameter would be the position. So you need to put pose dot, and you have a bunch of options here. So how about top center? How about this? And let's run this. And now you will see the text is located at top center. That's how you change the position. And now let's create a button. So the class name is button, and new button. Shift Control O, and you need to import javafx.scene.control.button. And just like label, you can use setText and setStyle method for the button. So let's set the text, button.setText. I'm gonna put add, and let's put button into pane. So pane.getChildren.add button. And you know, it's It's kinda nuisance to write this, right? So you can use add_r method. And this method basically lets you insert all the nodes into this one line here. So label, comma, button. Much easier, right? And I'm gonna locate button to bottom. So let me change this to button and post that bottom center. And let's run this. And now we have button. That button was too small, wasn't it? So let's make it bigger. To do that, you can change the font size. If the font gets bigger, then the button also gets bigger. So button.setStyle and fx font size and 15. And let's run this. And now we have bigger button. Finally, we're gonna define the most important feature of button. That means when you click the button, the program should do something, right? And to simulate that, you need to use button.setOnAction method. And JavaFX is using EventHandler to do this, but I'm not gonna explain how it works. I'd rather show you what you need to do. Okay, so I'm gonna use Lambda Expression. So this is the Lambda Expression, and all you need to do is write a code in the Lambda Expression, and when you click the button, the code in the Lambda Expression will be executed. Next, I'm gonna create a number variable in outside of start method, because in Lambda Expression the local variable must be final, but we want the variable to be changed, right? So that's why I'm gonna create variable here, int number, and initial value would be 0, and we need to increment number when we click the button. So here I'm gonna put num++, and that's it. Very simple, right? And by the way, you need to keep update the label text. So label.setText and put number here. But the type is integer, right? And we have to put string into the setText. So we have to use integer dot to string method. In this way, the type of number is converted into string, right? And the initial value would be number also. And again, integer dot to string. And number will be treated as a string. And I think we are done. So let's run this program. We have a label and button, and the number is incremented as we click the button. That's it for this tutorial. Hopefully see you next time.